What's good so far, fam? You know it's your boy Edward back with another video. And that's what I say. Another day, another dollar. We out here. You don't know what they are do it, isn't it? So we just argue and look clippings away. Barbecue sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Blog, and today we are going to prepare.
Yeah, so we're gonna start with barbecue sauce. So we're gonna get with ketchup or grease barbecue sauce. See me? So get a bowl or right now may I use a bucket, may I make that bucket full of barbecue sauce. We use you get your vinegar, your sugar, and your pickle and your egg powder mixture. So you're gonna pour all of that together. Pour all of that together and then you're gonna mix. You can check in the description, me I drop a recipe with that serve for like 2 person. But this recipe what me I do now, it's like a bucket full of barbecue sauce me I do. So pour in a barbecue sauce again. The ketchup, you pour your ketchup, barbecue sauce, your vinegar. And mix. Sugar go in and all. Throw in the sugar. And mix the sugar. Alright. When you add the barbecue sauce now, the barbecue sauce you can change it to however you want it. If you want to turn in a grape barbecue sauce, you could have put like a grape soda or artificial grape, whatever. Or you want an orange barbecue sauce, use a orange juice or you can squeeze a orange. So the barbecue sauce can go whichever way you want. If you're a person who like alcohol, you could have pour like a beer. Right. So as you go along and then mix your taste the sauce. Alright. Say yeah make barbecue sauce. Small portion of barbecue sauce. You're gonna need 1 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, ½ cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and 1 cup egg powder mixture. Ginger blend. 1 piece of ginger blend. And remember barbecue sauce. You can use basically anything. Your barbecue chicken, barbecue pork, barbecue mutton. Yeah. So you can do the barbecue. As me that tell you, me that show you wings what me that do. Alright, this is the barbecue sauce that I made to put on the wings. Yeah. And I have more than one different way to make barbecue sauce. This is one of my way of making barbecue sauce. So you can check out back to see another way how I make barbecue sauce. This is the barbecue pork. Pan out and garnish. It's in a 2-inch chafing pan. Right now, this is a meal that I prepare for wellness. So it's barbecue breast served along with pumpkin and 2 slices of breadfruit along with vegetable. So that would be served as a wellness dish. Now, this is portioned out as a main course. We have a barbecue pork, callaloo rice, pumpkin, and our vegetable. Yes, knock one. Alright, now this one is another portion. This one is the same portion. Barbecue sauce with pumpkin, callaloo rice, and vegetable. So, alright people. I would like you to be the judge of these dishes. If, for instance, you go in a restaurant, which one of this dish would you pick? Don't fear to comment below. And then we have another one. We have the barbecue fish, which you will be seeing in just about a minute. Just a minute. So, now we got fish for all the fish lovers. This is escofish served with barbecue sauce, lemon, and vegetable. So you can be the judge. Until the next video, I'm out.